Hi, Julian Martinez. Hi, Paxio. Hi, Brilliant. Thank you, Mr. Cool. Thank you very much. I love you guys. Wow, thank you very much. I'm gonna follow you. I think we're friends. I think we're already friends, Mr. Cool. I'm not yet. I followed you already, Mr. Cool. Thank you very much. Oh, I don't like a filter. Wait, guys. There's a filter. Wait. Yan. Guys, thanks and 5 beans, guys. Thank you very much. All you fans, guys, help me.
Bibi.
Sure. Sure, Jolene. Wait. Done.
Oo, ano man pong baby. Ayan mo yun. Mamaya, mamaya. Para alam niyo mali yung ginawa niya, baby.
Guys, can you send 5 beans, guys? GGG, we're not friends?
Mamaya, alisin ko na yun sa ito.
Oh, wait. I will follow you.
Din dapat, oh.
Done, GGG.
Sinakain niyo yung mga basura doon.
Thank you very much.
Yung last, pinalo ko talaga yan, baby. Yung bunga
I love you, guys.
tatalo ko din yung sa'yo. Dali mo yun. Ako pa magpulong ito.
You're welcome,
Daddy. Talaga
Daddy.
sa kanila.
Guys, can you send 5 beans, guys?
Talaga din yung ano bago pa hindi tao. Kasi mahilig daw sa mythology yung papa niya daw. Sa mga ancient Kemet. Ganun. So, hindi tao? Siguro.
Guys, can you send 5 beans, guys? Can you send gift, guys? Di ba? Ang hirap kumita, Yobab, di ba? Tapos di ba papasok sa Gcash mo? Sahod ko wala pa din. Thank you, Ignacio. Thank you very much. Wait. Ang hirap kumita, Yobab. Tapos walang ano, hindi pumasok yung sahod ko nakaraan. Tinanong ko na si Kuya Mer.